for a ride. It's Friday after work, but the first thing we've got to do is put this together. This is the new back rack. Okay, that was a bit of an effort, but pack racks together. Can't even see it, I'll show you later, but it's certainly nice and all firmly on there now. Going on a ride, overnighter. Yeah. Oh. Taking a break, eh? Hey? Having a break. I'm just going to have a V or something. You're right. Getting thirsty. Yeah, same actually.
Blast, eh?
Yeah, beautiful piece of country through there, eh?
Yeah, man.
Especially in that evening light.
Give it a sunstruck, eh?
Yeah. Just looking at that chair on the beach there.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Mate.
Got my tent right here.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. All right, tent's up. So we'll leave it there tonight, but yeah, what a great ride. How's that for a Friday after work? Get to a place like this. Good morning, New Zealand. Good morning. Day 2 on the road, and as you can see, wow, I don't need to put words to this, you can just have a look. This is our morning view. Dave's trying to get the coffee on. He's got a few technical issues. How about that? Okay, Dave, what's the problem with this picture? It's closed, isn't it? Oh, let's check this out. Let's see if we can't get ourselves a bit of breakfast. Down here, Dave piped out. Look what he's missing out on. Walkway. Ah, it's Grumpy Dave again. Could have just camped in here last night, mate. There you go. Check that out. The thing is that there'll be all sorts of little yeah, but that's fine.
Which means it didn't
It's our railway set. Mate.